Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the username of a user account on Windows 10. This will change the username required to log in to your PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Let's begin. Begin by opening up the Start menu. You can open it by clicking the Windows button in the corner here or by hitting the Windows button on your keyboard. Search for Control Panel and open it up. From the Control Panel, click on User Accounts. Now you can select Change your account name. Enter your new desired username and then click on the Change Name button. As you can see, the Windows 10 username has now been updated, and that was an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.